Okay, next week we're going to the presidential inauguration parade in Washington, D.C., obviously, where they have them every 4 years. Yeah, but it's just a real special occasion for us. It's history, man, and I'm just happy to be part of it. And then obviously everybody knows why this election is special. I mean, it's history. First African-American president, and, you know, shows that America's going a different direction.
Well, first of all, it gives us a big chance to participate in the whole process of this election and now inaugurating the new president. It also gives us a chance to show our pride and our support from our community, San Antonio, Texas, all the way to Washington, D.C.
And it's always been our style to be rather flamboyant with our costumes. We're going to have lights, and they're putting us towards the end of the parade, so it'll be dark, and we will be able to do a special light show for the president, hopefully. My part is I just put on whatever they tell me to put on. So I'm not any. We have a lot of designers and seamstresses and people who design clothes for a living who help us with these costumes, and they just measure me and put my clothes on. So.